Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of Ivory Clasp. Yes, this is my April box of Ivory Clasp. For those who do not know, Ivory Clasp is a monthly or semi-monthly purse prescription. I have all the information in the bottom section of this video. So let's go ahead on with the unboxing. When you open the box, it says, "People will stare, make it worth their while." Harry Winston. I see the purse and a couple of other things in this box. You have a handbag rescue. This is just a cleaning pad in case your purse get dirty. And you also get a sample size of oil infusion body lotion from Nivea. And it also saves $2. So that's what came in this box. And here is the purse. And this purse retails for $108. Let's open it up. Okay, I love the color. Okay. Let's see. Open it up, down. You also get straps. Long strap. See, you know, get this open. There you go. I like the way this is made. Like all this. Okay, open it up. Just like any other purse, it comes with all this crap in it. Oh, and look at this. Like that. And this is how it looks in the inside. Okay. Very pretty. And you can see it doesn't have a buckle where you can close it per se, but it seems like it's magnetic. So you can just do like that and it automatically closes. See that? It goes like this. So what do you all think about this month's purse? This is beautiful. I will leave all the information you would need in the bottom section of this video about Ivory Clasp. See you all next time. Bye-bye.